If you have an iPhone, watch this video. I'm about to share with you 6 incredible iPhone features. At least one of them will be game-changing to most of you. If you know someone who has an iPhone, share this video with them. Feature number 1. Go to your settings, then tap accessibility, scroll down, tap on touch, scroll down again and turn on prevent lock to end call. Now when you're on a call and you press the lock button to lock your screen, your call will not drop. Feature number 2. If you don't like the always on display, you can turn it off. To do so, go to your settings, tap on display and brightness, scroll down and turn always on off. Feature number 3. Did you know that you could draw perfect circles to point out a specific area on your screenshots? If no, you're gonna like this. Before, when draw a circle on a screenshot, it used to look like a child drawing, but if you hold on to it, it gives you a perfect circle. Tell your friends. Feature number 4. Did you know that you can share your internet with your friends? To do so, go to your settings and tap personal hotspot, then allow others to join with this password. Feature number 5. Go to your settings, then accessibility, scroll down, tap on audio-visual, tap on headphone accommodation and turn it on. Finally, select vocal range and change it to strong. This will boost the softer sound, making them easier to hear. Feature number 6. Go to your settings and tap music and then select EQ, then choose late night or loudness. This will make your music louder. Tell your friends and come back for more.